Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a short video of Pop EXO makeup collection exclusively by my Glam. This is an unboxing as well as this is a short review video. So if you see, this mini nail kit is named as Hustling, and trust me, this is really worth it. It just costs $249, and if you search in different sites you will get for around $149 or around 200 or so. I have seen a lot of mini lipsticks, but this time I have tried this mini nail kit and these tiny little nail polishes. Actually, these are not so tiny. It can be used a lot. For at most we can use for 6 months or so. So this is just some resistant bold nail polishes as mentioned on the back cover, and it comes in a beautiful pouch, so you can get them to traveling, and it's a very travel friendly pack as well. And these different shades. The first one, I think it's Q and B. It's sort of a magenta shade. Then comes Turned, it's sort of fluorescent green. Then comes our Flumming. Then comes Tea, yellowish one. And last, I guess it's Shock, but here in the picture it is given as a purple. So I'm not so sure about that. So see, what about the review? When I have applied it, I have applied 2 coats. Excuse my fingers, those are not so good, but still the flame, these colors, everything, the Hustling, I really liked it, because I have never applied since my childhood. I have never applied any nail polishes like this. So it looks really nice, and it's quite long lasting too. It's been 1 week and still it's like that. So thank you.